Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before I start the review, we'll discuss how to make money online on the internet because most people are here interested in making money online. So if you are interested in making money online, then make sure you watch the video from here on till the end. And if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can forward the video and watch the last 10 minutes of the video only, okay? So again, for those who want to make money online, then watch the video from here on till the end. For those who are only interested in buying this product, then you can watch the last 10 minutes of the video to see the review. And we will discuss these bonuses as well. So I'll tell you what these bonuses are and how you can get them. Now, for those who know me, all good. If you don't know me, then click on my channel here and open this in a new tab, and then you can go to the playlists right here and then you scroll down, and the second last category here says affiliate product reviews, and it shows you 1676 videos so far. Okay, so I think I started these reviews 5 years ago. It was COVID time, I guess, and I made like 1600 videos back then. And then obviously when you do that much work, you get exhausted. Okay, so after these videos, I changed or switched my field to forex trading, as you can see right here. So all these hundreds of videos on forex trading I have made. So technically my whole journey is on YouTube. That's how you can figure out who am I. I'm a hardworking person, that's all I can say. So coming back here, now click on more and you will find all the links we're going to talk about one by one. Okay, so for those people who are interested in making money with trading, okay, because trading is something, first of all, you will ask the question that, oh, I don't know anything about trading. Well, I am making it very simple. You don't have to know anything because I will teach you the basics, whatever you need to know. After that, I will tell you what to buy, what to sell. All you have to do is place the orders and you will just make profits. Okay, so there is a condition here. It's not for everybody, obviously. When the name trading comes, it's not for everybody. Okay, whether we talk about forex trading, stock trading, option trading, this trading, that trading, trading is only for people who have the money. Okay, so the only requirement from your end is that you got to have the money. You don't have the money, this option is not for you. Okay, so if you ask how much money, anything, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, depends. Okay, don't try to trade with $500. Okay, I will not tell you, oh, you can do this in $100, you can do this in $500, or you can do this in $1,000. You can do it, but it's not fun. Okay, if you don't make money if you don't make money which is noticeable, there's no fun. Okay, so I would say, yeah, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, if you can invest, it's good. Otherwise, if you have anything below $2,000, I think it's not worth it. Okay, because when you trade and when you make profits, they should be something considerable. Okay, anyway, so long story short, trading is for people only who got the money. Okay, if you have the money, you can click on the first link below and come to this page, enter your name and email. Okay, and once you do that, you will come to this page right here where you can go and watch more videos. These are short videos. Each video here is like 2-3 minutes long. So these are setups. I have shown you how to enter trades, when to enter, when to exit. So when you see these videos, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's for people who have the money. But if you don't have the money and if you want to come on YouTube maybe and make these videos, because you can make money on YouTube as what everybody is doing YouTube. Okay, so there is a lot of money to be made on YouTube if you can do it. So you can click on this link. It says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So click here and then enter your name and email. Again, you can watch this testimonial as well, because this Traffic Jarvis, which is the name of my course, YouTube course, Traffic Jarvis, as you can see here. So it will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and your YouTube channel will be monetized just within a month. Okay, so when you enter your name, email, you will come to this page right here, and then go and watch the video and check all the details, because using this YouTube course, this is a 16 plus hours long YouTube course for serious YouTube people. Okay, so you can see the channel will be monetized, after which you can see I have made this kind of money with ad revenue. What is ad revenue? When you watch ads in my YouTube videos, I get some money. Okay, similarly, when you will make a video, somebody else will watch some ads in your videos, you will make money. but for that your channel has to be monetized. Okay, and right now I think YouTube has a requirement of 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Not easy. Okay, so if you want everything within a month, go and get this program. You can watch more testimonials here, you can see more screenshots here. All this money was made by me by making these YouTube videos. Okay, so in YouTube videos you can sell your services, you can promote something you like, and you can make money with ad revenue as well. Okay, so that's YouTube for you. If you want more details, go and check out this program. Then we have a link here, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So if you click on that link, I have launched some software as well. So there's Shimei. If you right click on this, if you want to generate some cool images like these, then you go ahead and get this Drishyam AI software, and you will be able to generate these kind of images. If you want to have some affiliate campaigns, okay, if you want to launch some marketing campaigns in affiliate marketing or any marketing, you can get this Launch to Profit AI and watch this demo video here. It will help you generate all the campaigns, review articles, email scripts, YouTube scripts, you name it, we have it. Okay, so go and check out all these softwares and everything. And now what we have 100 leads per day. So we also have a system in which we will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will be able to email those leads once in 24 hours, and you can sell them anything anything of your choice. Okay, so for example, if I show you that system right here, you can see that I had been making this kind of money with the system. I mean, it's not something which will make you millionaire, but if you want extra a couple of $100, you will be good, I guess. Then, so you can see I've been getting commission every month, reoccurring commission. Okay, so you see RC means reoccurring commission. Okay, so every month I keep getting these commissions, even though whether I work or not, right? So if it's never ending, as you can see. So if you're interested in getting 100 leads per day and emailing them whatever you want to sell, you can check out this program and then book consultation. So you can, if you want to speak with me, if you are not sure what to do, and if you want to discuss something with me, you can talk to me on audio call 1-to-1. So click on this book consultation link right here, and then scroll down and click on this link says book now, and then there is a fees. It will cost you $97, where you can speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so if you have any questions, you want to speak to me 1-to-1 audio call, just make the payment, then drop me an email about your timing. When do you want to talk? We can we can mutually decide the best timing to talk, and that's all about it. And then you can ask me all your questions. Okay, so 40 minutes, $97. Anything else do we have here? And kiss tracking is the part of the bonus. So I sell separately kiss tracking, but if you buy the product from me, you will get the bonus. So let's talk about the bonus on that note. So I'll give you 3 bonuses. One bonus will be free lifetime email autoresponder, because if you want to start with email marketing, you want to grow your email list, you have to have an email autoresponder, and this is totally free. Okay, you can get that. And kiss tracking is a 2 hours training course. So if I click and open this, so kiss tracking means keep it simple, and this will teach you exactly what I am doing or what others are doing on YouTube right now, meaning how to make these review videos. So if you want to know how to do these reviews, how to find the products, how to sell, so you can go and get this training in my bonus. This is a 2 hours video training by me, recorded by me only. Okay, so I will teach you in this training how to go and do exactly what I'm doing right now, how to make these review videos and get some sales and make some commissions. Okay, third is forex profit machine. This is an 11,000 words PDF book about forex trading. So for those people who got no idea what is forex trading, you can get this book as a bonus, and you can go through the PDF and you will have the basic idea about trading. Okay, however, if you join my forex program, I'll tell you exactly how to set up everything. Okay, so I guess that's all about it. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you have any questions, you can always go ahead and email me if you have any questions. And how will you get these bonuses? Well, one way to get the bonuses is if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review, so you will get the bonus automatically. However, if you don't want to buy the product for which we're gonna do the review, in that case you can buy any of my these products here, Drishyam AI Launch to Profit, the audio review to profit. Buy any of these things, and then email me your receipt, your copy, saying that you have purchased that thing from me, and I will send you those bonuses manually. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, like, and thanks for watching so far, but go nowhere. We're gonna start the review now. Stay till the end. All right, humans, let's do this DubMash AI review. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you get to the sales page? For that, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab DubMash AI copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page right here and use this coupon code DUBS3. Let me check again. It is DUBS3. Yes. So this will give you $3 discount. So use this coupon code DUBS3. And we have the demo video. So I'm going to talk about this software. So it says here, dub any video or movie into 120 plus languages in just one click and generate up to this much per day on complete autopilot. World's first AI powered app that instantly dubs any video or movie from YouTube or your own into multiple languages. Okay, so if you keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, maybe 50% when you come halfway through the sales page right here. Okay, so you have this 5 minutes long demo video which you have to go and watch before you buy the software. And go and grab from me, my link below, so that you can get the bonuses as well. And if you don't know what bonuses, I have explained that in the previous part of the video already. Okay, so come back here and let me show you what this is all about. I'll show you quickly and then you have to go and watch the video in your free time. So you can change the voiceover of the video into different language. For example, if your video is in English, and you can have the voiceover in some other language like Spanish or Japanese. Okay, let me show you how. So you type in, you either upload your video from a laptop, so you can upload the video from computer or directly from YouTube. So in this video, they're showing, they're going to copy this video URL. Okay, so you copy the URL, paste the URL right here, and then this is optional. Okay, so you press next and it says generating. Now here you will detect the original source of the language, English, you see. So the video is in English, that's the original language. And now you can change into any language. So here they are choosing Spanish. Okay, so now the video voiceover will be into Spanish. So let's go ahead and see the end result. So it's now generating the voiceover in Spanish for the video which was in English. Okay, and let me show you the end result. So that's it. Now when you play the video, now this is in Spanish. You have to go and watch the video. I have muted it here so you can't hear what they say in the video, but when you watch the demo video on your computer, you will be able to hear that this is in Spanish now. Okay, and also you have the transcript. So as you can see, the top one is in English and this is a translated one in Spanish. Okay, so you can convert your videos into a different language using AI. That's feature number one. Second feature is audio. So you can go ahead and convert any audio into any other language. So for example, if I show you again here, they're copying the URL again. That's again a video URL. And they are showing you two examples of video, and then they will show you one example of audio. So that's it. Now you convert that into some Japanese or some other language. This is Japanese. So you have seen that already. And the other feature is that if you have an audio file, okay, so no video, but just an audio file, then you can see here now they have uploaded the audio and the source language was detected. And then target language means in which language you want. So let's say your audio file is into English. You want to convert that into Chinese, Japanese, whatever. So audio file language can be converted as well as video file. Okay, anything else do we have here? So you have voiceover generator. You enter your text right here, and whatever you will type in, that will be converted into voiceover. It says here generate voice. You can choose these examples. Okay, so I think it's a cool software in a very cheap price. Okay, I think it will cost you maybe $12 to start with after using the discount coupon. So go and grab the copy and let me show you the OTOs right here. So the front end will cost you 17, and let me show you right here. So this is 17, then 67. There are 7 OTOs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will pick and choose when you go to the relevant sales pages of these OTOs. You can go ahead and upgrade because you will not get everything unlimited. We know that in $17, $15 you can't get everything unlimited. Okay, so if you want something unlimited or some other rights like agency rights or white label rights, then you can obviously go and upgrade. So go and upgrade whatever you want. And the front end you can get in, maybe, I guess, let me see the pricing or the question answers below. So for now, let me see what the price is. Okay, whatever the price is, I guess 14.94. It's on a dying sale. So use the coupon code. You can get this in 11.94. Okay. So we have some question answers right here. Do I need any debugging skills? No. How many languages? 120 plus. Does it work on videos with multiple speakers? It does. Where can I get videos from? YouTube link or from your own computer? Are the AI voices actually human sounding? Yes. Can I sell? Yes. This no. There's no subscription fees. Do I need to install anything? No. What types of content can I dub? YouTube movies, trailers, news, or anything, any video which talks. Okay. What if I don't? If I don't like it? 30-day money back guarantee. But go and watch the demo video which is on the sales page already. And if you need it, then go and buy. Okay. I'm sure you're gonna like it because I have seen the demo video and it does what it says. Okay. So go and pick up the link and get my bonuses as well if you want. Go and buy from my link below. Thanks for watching. Till then, subscribe, like, and share.